Okay, I hope everyone can see my screen now. You can see my screen.
Yes.
It's okay. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
I can see it.
All right. Thank you, sir. So I want to welcome everyone to this event, and it's going to be a life-changing experience, especially for those that are just maybe getting into crypto space, and also for those of us that are already in the crypto space and want to learn more about what Nano is all about, and new things new thing about cryptocurrency, and then get to know some terms that will guide you through to navigate your way to a successful destination. So I'm going to be starting with the basic understanding on the cryptocurrencies, and then from that point, I'm going to now dive into the futuristic of the digital currency that give us the future of feeless gas and sustainable and also a fast transactions. So we're going to be looking at comparing the crypto space together with the nano ecosystem. So I will start to say that crypto space is a massive adopted market, and when you look at it holistically, there is a lot of new people coming into the industry, especially in Nigeria. There are a lot of people coming into it, and I know a lot of people that are new to the whole sphere, and what they are after is to just come in and invest in the crypto space, take profit, get their profit, and how to approach the market and be successful. That's what majority of people are after, but they don't really try to understand what the crypto itself is, and which we now guide them through to now maximize the opportunity that lies in that space. So this event is going to open our eyes to some things. So we need to know some facts about cryptocurrency. Yeah, take it or leave it. Cryptocurrency is a complicated technology, and I will tell you for free, it's accessible to everyone, and anyone can understand it. It doesn't matter your level of background. It doesn't matter whether you are a market woman. It doesn't matter whether you are a student, a graduate, a banker, or whatsoever you can be. It doesn't matter, regardless of your background, you can understand it, despite the fact that it's complicated. You can still understand it. So I'll be leading you through to some busy word that's associated with cryptocurrency, and all this will lead us into Nano itself. So I know that many of you have heard about Bitcoin, you have heard about blockchain, you know about Ethereum, and also I'm very sure that somebody will have even speak to your ears, or you might hear somebody talking about you need to definitely invest in crypto, and they try to let you know that all you need to do is to just buy and sell and make your money. And but did they really take you through what crypto is? Do you really understand what crypto is? Okay, for this class, I want to make sure that I'm carrying along everyone. So from time to time, I may ask questions, and I want a response from those of us that are listening. So to you, what do you understand by crypto? To you, anyone can pick up the mic and speak. What do you understand by crypto? Okay. So, Dio, you can go ahead now. We can hear you now.
Okay, so thank you very much, sir. So I was just saying that from my own layman understanding, when I hear crypto, I mean, what comes to my mind is trading or dealing with digital assets.
Okay.
So that's my own layman understanding of crypto.
All right. All right. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Okay. Well, I will I would like to say I will explain to you what crypto is by using two factors, or let me say two elements. I will use two elements to explain what big crypto is, and the three elements are Bitcoin. I'm going to be using blockchain, and I'm going to also use I'm going to use Ethereum. So I'm going to be using three elements to explain what crypto is. All right. So let's move on so that we can move with the speed of light, and within some few minutes we should be clear with what cryptocurrency, the basic, we should be through with that. So to identify, or let me say to explain what crypto is, there are three figures or three elements that we need to consider. And the first one is crypto itself. Crypto itself. Yeah, we want to explain what crypto is. So three things that we need to talk about. Number one, I'm going to explain what crypto is. So crypto is just a form of payment for goods and services, okay? And it can only be exchanged virtually. It's a digital asset, digital currency. So you can only exchange them by using virtual means of exchange. And also, it's very important to know that crypto is decentralized. It is decentralized, and simply means that you can do your transactions without waiting for an official financial institution. Just like maybe talking about bank, you don't need to wait for bank before you can do your transaction. So that is crypto. Then secondly, blockchain. Blockchain is just the normal, let me say, put it together like a ledger, a record book that records all transactions. A record book that records all virtual transactions that has been made since the start of the cryptocurrency in 2009. Ledger or blockchain is just a virtual record that records all digital transactions, right? And then store them in a record book. So we call it blockchain. We call it blockchain. And because of it's a digital ledger, it's not easy for anyone to go there and tamper with it, because whatsoever that happens on blockchain, it's public, it's open to everyone to see. So it's just a digital, just like I said, it's a digital, or let me say virtual record that keep all transactions, digital transactions that has been made since the beginning of crypto transactions. Then the next thing I will talk about is Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Now, before I talk about Bitcoin, I need to explain that, or let me say, everybody understand that when you talk about crypto, when you talk about currencies, when you mention currencies, currencies has two major problems that is general to currency. And number one thing is that they require a central authority when it comes to regulation. That is where CBN in Nigeria comes in. They regulate whatsoever things that is happening, and they are the central authority that governs whatsoever that happens to our Naira. All right. So when you talk about the value that it commands, when you talk about the value it commands.
Yes. Sure.
Yes, we can hear you.
All right, sorry. So I was talking about, sorry, I was talking about the currency, and I'm trying to explain the two major problems. And I talk about number one, central authority governed by CBN in Nigeria, making sure that the value that our Naira commands is being governed by CBN, talking about the production, talking about the authenticity and the authentic of that currency. So it's being governed by a central authority. Then also the second thing that is the major problem in when you talk about currency is it fall a victim of fraudulent activities, creation. You will see them embezzle money. They do anything they want to do with the money. Why? Because they one government, they have a control over it. So it's a victim of fraudulent activities of creation. You don't know the numbers of, you can't tell the number of, what's it called now? The population of Naira that we have, the quantity of Naira we have. So you can't quantify it. It has no limit. So there is fraudulent activities, creation, and but when you now talk about cryptocurrency, or let me say digital currency, that's where Bitcoin comes to solve these two major problems. Cut off what we call a centralized authority, like CBN cut them off. And also when it comes to fraudulent activities, it has a quantity of Bitcoin that is released to this. We need to move forward. Sorry, guys.
We need a blockchain to solve this problem.
I'm telling you. All right. So I've given you a picture of, or let me say, I now give you why Bitcoin has to come in, why digital currency has to come in to solve these two major problems we are facing as far as currency is concerned. I would have loved to go deeper to explain what Bitcoin is, who invented it, and some other activity that happens around it. But because of time factor, because I need to go into the business of today, so I will need to leave Bitcoin for now and go to now. Let me now explain what crypto is, bringing blockchain, joining Bitcoin together with. Let me now tell you what crypto is. Now, crypto is basically a decentralized form of currency. All right, and it relies on blockchain technology to now to process, or let me say facilitate security or secured and simply digital transactions. So cryptocurrency or crypto in short is decentralized form of currency. When you rule that, then it relies on the digital ledger, which we call blockchain technology. And what that blockchain technology does is to facilitate, secure, and make sure that whatsoever transaction that is going on the blockchain, it's secure. That is why we have that blockchain technology. And I will accommodate questions as we go on into, as we dig down into the blockchain, Bitcoin, and also we talk about nano blockchain for better understanding. All right. Let me move forward. Now, let's see how cryptocurrency works, because if you don't understand how cryptocurrency works, you don't understand when you get your nano into your wallet, what you can use it for, and how you can get it into your wallet, and how you can send it to your friends, and how you can make use of nano for services or for anything you want to use it for. So you first of all need to understand how cryptocurrency works. What is the principle and technologies behind the cryptocurrency itself? Number one thing I'm going to talk about is what I call cryptography. Cryptography simply means I'm not too sure whether to see whether I thought I give the full meaning of it, but cryptography simply means a method, or let me say, a method of revealing information. Okay, this is Bitcoin. How do we reveal information about Bitcoin in digital form? That is where cryptography comes in. So the method of revealing the information about an asset to ensure that there is a security of user information and transactions. So to make sure that there is a secure process or method for you and I, that method of security that governs your transaction when you are doing it, it's made happen by what we call a cryptography. So cryptography is actually a method of revealing information to ensure that there is a security of you as a user, your information, your profile, everything about you is secured, your transaction is secure. That is what a cryptography used, and that is the nature of cryptocurrency. The first thing you need to first of all understand. So when you do a transaction, as well as digital currency is concerned, there is a method that makes your information secure, and that is cryptography. Then second thing is blockchain. I've explained what blockchain is, and I told you that it's a digital ledger that keeps record transactions. It's also a blockchain. Also is a place whereby you make new wallet, new coin is being made, transaction is being made legit, and there is a secure system. A secure system is made happen on a blockchain. So when you are talking about your account being created, when you are talking about you are checking your balance, you see your balance in your wallet. When you are talking about, okay, you have a transaction and you want to check your history, that is where blockchain comes in. It keeps all those records, it track all your activity. That's what blockchain does. Then again, the next thing is decentralized. Decentralized. What does it mean? Decentralized simply means that the authority, the power of whatsoever that is happening in cryptocurrency, how cryptocurrency works, all the power there lies between me and you. Is a peer-to-peer transaction. Is a transaction that is decentralized. It's not governed by anyone. It is you and I that make that transactions that make that transaction happen when we talk about digital currency. So it's a peer on a network. So one individual on a platform or on a decentralized platform cannot make that platform work. So it's a decentralized operation when it comes to digital currency, or let me say cryptocurrency. Let me give you an instance. An instance is just like when you have someone when you are making the transactions, anytime you send your Bitcoin or you send Nano to somebody, there is a group of network that confirm your transactions, that confirm that what you are sending 1 Nano from your wallet. There is a group of system that ascertain that 1 Nano is in your wallet and confirm that Nano belongs to you, and before they now verify and send that money or that access to the person you want to send it to. So all these things happen within few seconds, and you may not know that that is what is going on at the back end, but every transaction has to pass through a system or pass through a node. I don't want to mention a node. Why? Because I'm still talking to some people that are not yet understand some terms. So it passed through a group of network, a group of peers on the network, and before the transaction can come. So it is not easy for hack to happen. It is not easy for anybody to come in and tamper with any transaction that is happening. Why? Because it's a network. It's a chain network that happens when it comes to cryptocurrency transactions. Okay. Then the next thing, which is the last thing I'm going to talk about before I now end from that aspect, is peer-to-peer. I've explained it earlier, peer-to-peer. That is, cryptocurrency can be sent directly between two parties, two people, without the need of a broker, without need of a bank. You can do the transactions. These transfers are done with a very low process, a very low fee that you pay when it comes to that transactions. You pay that transaction and everything is settled. So you don't need to be looking for PayPal. You don't need to be looking for bank to do your transaction. And again, I talked about you pay just little fee, you pay low fee. But that is where Nano now comes in with a different idea, which I will share more light as we go into to now tap into what is the great benefit that Nano released to the digital world in general when it comes to transaction and payment of fee. We are going to be looking at what Nano brought to the digital world. Okay. But before then, let me quickly explain these two things to you. We have two different types of cryptocurrency. I know many people, they misuse it when you talk about coin and you talk about token. So don't try to use the two together. They are two different things. When you talk about coin, then you are talking about a cryptocurrency that has its own blockchain. Like Nano, for example, Nano has its own blockchain that gives records of whatsoever activity that is happening on their chain. Then Bitcoin also has its own blockchain that gives records of whatsoever that is happening. Ethereum too has its own blockchain. So any cryptocurrency that has its own blockchain that keep records of transactions that happen within that their ecosystem, we call them a coin. And it means that you use your money to buy those coins. You use your money to buy them. When you want to buy Bitcoin, you use your fiat to buy it. When you want to buy Nano, you use your fiat to buy it. You go to Expo to buy them. But when you talk about tokens are cryptocurrency that is built on another blockchain. They don't have their own blockchain, but it's being built on another blockchain. It's just like a project owner go to Bitcoin blockchain and create his own creating his own financial solutions, creating his own exchange, creating his own whatsoever tokens. All those things, when you create a decentralized application on a blockchain, is a token, because that decentralized application you create on a blockchain, on maybe Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any blockchain you are creating it, it means that it may have a token that you will use to fuel that decentralized application. So it means that you are creating that DApp, that decentralized application, on another blockchain. So creating another system, another financial solutions, another application, another token on another blockchain, then you call that cryptocurrency a token. So decentralized app run on an individual blockchain is a token. I would have loved to dig more deeper into that, but because of our time, I need to run. So let's move to Nano. Let's move to Nano. But before Nano, let me show you this. This is an activity that happens when we are doing your bank transfer. These are allies, maybe allies in US want to transfer $200 to somebody, want to transfer $200 to Bob in Nigeria, and he has to now pay a transaction fee of $14, which is going to be deducted from his $200. And this transaction may delay for 3 days before you get to Bob. Why? Because you are transferring from one country to another. So there will be a delay in getting your money to your destination because of, and again, you pay high gas fee. There is a fee and there is a process. There is a fee and there is a process. That is a bank transaction. But when you look at blockchain transaction, is a very easy transaction that happens within, you can see blockchain transaction, the same person had easy transfer from US to Nigeria, to Bob in Nigeria, and is making use of a blockchain. Now, blockchain take $1 from him, and within few seconds, between 1 hour, maybe 1 hour or less than 1 hour, he gets his money into his wallet. You can see the fee, less than 0.5%, and at the same time, the process that it takes for getting that money, it takes just like 30 minutes or 90 minutes. The token is already in his account. You can imagine, look at this, what I just wrote here. Do you know that in January 16, somebody sent a token, send a money that worth up to like $1 billion, and he used just 0.49, which is $0.5. That is not even up to, that's in Naira, is not up to 200 Naira, 200 Naira fee he pay to move $1 billion transactions. You can imagine how that is so easy. But still, there is still something great, awesome about Nano when it comes to blockchain transaction. And that is where exactly we are going now. So let's dive into Nano. And I need to let you know that Nano is an eco-friendly and a fearless digital currency. I'm going to share more light on this. So let's visit our website as I show you some of the features that we have there, and an important note that you need to take note when it comes to Nano for you to have a clarity of what we have. Now, Nano as a whole, Nano is basically a digital currency for everyone with less fee. Digital currency for everyone with less fee. And you will, I know that you'll be asking, when it comes to without fee, how is that made, or how is that possible when you are talking about with with no fee at all being paid when you make a transaction? It's just like in Nigeria now, there is no transaction you want to do. If you want to even do your POS charge you for it. If you want to do ATM transaction, it will not be instantly. They deduct whatever they want to deduct at the end of the month, but at least you are paying transaction fee. So if Nano now comes with a system whereby you do your transactions and on a blockchain without paying fee, then it's something that you need to just look into. And I need to also let you know that Nano is decentralized, just like what I've explained. Is decentralized, is sustainable, and secure digital money, which focus on, let me say, on addressing some inefficiencies that we have in our traditional market, even in blockchain market. Nano is here to solve some major issues when it comes to transactions. So I'm going to be showing you can see here 0 fee. It doesn't cost anything to send Nano, make it practical and inclusive for all the world. Eco-friendly, what do we mean by eco-friendly? Without relying on mining, printing, or minting. Nano is a sustainable solution for money. Then the last one is instant payment. You don't have to wait to use digital currency. Nano is ready when you are. If you send Nano now, it takes you just few seconds to get your money in your wallet. Now, Bitcoin, if you transfer Bitcoin from your Bitcoin wallet to another wallet, it will take minimum of 30 minutes to get, minimum of 30 minutes to get your money into your wallet. And at the same time, you pay high gas fee. When it comes to Ethereum also, Ethereum, well, it may take 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes, but at the same time, the transaction fee you are going to be paying to move your money from your wallet to another wallet, which is Ethereum-based token, are going to be paying huge amount of fee. But when it comes to Nano, it is instant payment. You get it within few seconds. It's not even up to 5 seconds. There was like was it last month? There was a solution that we are trying to test, or let me say an activity. We carry out one exercise whereby we have like 8 countries coming together to make a transaction from US to Brazil, from Brazil to Ghana, from Ghana to Nigeria, from Nigeria to Australia, then I think Greece. So like 8 countries coming together. And after we make transaction, from me now, I send Nano to somebody in US. To somebody in US also send the same transaction to another person. And when we calculate the what's it called now? The seconds that we use to transfer this transaction, all the transactions is not up to 1 minute. Everybody gets into their bank account. a wallet. So that shows how instant Nano payment is, and all the transaction that was made is without fee. It's without fee. Okay, let's navigate to see some of important things that we need to know about Nano. And that's where you see try Nano. When you are saying try Nano, what are we trying about Nano? What do we need to know about Nano? Now, trying Nano, it means that before you can have Nano, you need to have a wallet. You need to get a wallet. When you're talking about cryptocurrency, you need to have a wallet before you can do any transactions. If you don't have a wallet, where do you want to now store your digital assets that you own? So you need to, first of all, own a wallet. And Nano, through Nano, you can have a desktop wallet, window wallet on your desktop or on your PC. Then also on your mobile, you can also have a wallet. I will have talked about two wallets that exist when we talk about hot wallet and cold wallet, but because of this class, I may not be able to dig deeper into it. But you can go to your Play Store and download a Nano wallet, Neutron. Neutron is a Nano wallet that you can search on your Play Store easily and download. Neutron wallet, that is N-A-T-R-I-U-M. You can search for it, download it, and create your wallet and have access to move or have access to get Nano from somebody into your wallet, or from an exchange where you want to purchase it into your wallet and keep it safe for yourself. And don't forget, when you create a wallet, you need to make sure that you keep your private key, because that is your access that opens you to your wallet. And if anyone that owns your private wallet, if anybody gets access to your private wallet, then your wallet is gone and is now in the hand of another person to make use of. What are the other two steps? What are the second step about Nano? We are trying Nano. The first thing I said is to get a wallet. The second one is to get Nano. How do you get Nano? You know, I said after you have created your wallet, then you need to now say, okay, I need to get Nano. Where can I get Nano? You can purchase, and at the same time, Nano create, because Nano is a non-profitable organization, non-profit organization. It creates an avenue whereby users or those that want to know about Nano can also claim Nano free on their network. And there are multiple ways whereby you can claim Nano free daily. So you can see here, grab your first free Nano and send it to your Nano wallet immediately. You can do that right away as I'm talking now, and you get Nano free into your wallet. So how do you do that? When you want to receive it, receive free Nano. How? By when you click this on our website, it opens you to another page of where you can claim. It's called nanodrop.io. Nanodrop.io. After you have created your wallet through Natric wallet, through Natric app or whatever means whereby you have been able to create your wallet, then you copy your wallet, which is the public wallet. It starts with Nano. You copied it and you paste it here. The moment you paste it here, then you click here to confirm that everything is settled. Let me try to see if I can lay hands on my one wallet, or somebody can. If you already have a wallet right there, you can drop your wallet for me there. Drop your wallet for me so that I can do it. Can do practical and see whether you get it and confirm that you get that Nano. You can just drop it on the chat corner. If you have your wallet there, drop it on chat corner and let me copy it, and let's do it and let everybody see. You can drop your wallet address, drop it on the chat corner, and let's copy it. Okay, I have for Christian here, start with Nano. Okay, I copied it and I am pasting it here now for everyone to see. So pasting it here now, see, it marked it that wallet is correct already. Then I will click here, drop me 0.00001 Nano. The moment I click it, it's going to tell you that it's successful. And within few seconds, that wallet, that amount, you will see it definitely in your wallet instantly. You will see it and you can do that the moment you are, every moment you see that is open for you to get. So that is the first way of you getting your first nano. I've done that as is confirming that. Let's see. Okay, it says invalid ticket signature. There is possibility that maybe Christian has claimed this thing today, and if you have not claimed it today, you can still do it again, and let's see from your own end. But that is the way, the first way of you claiming nano, So there are, you see now, you said there are all ways to get nano. There are still multiple ways of getting nano. I've clicked on that, and let's see how there are ways where we can get nano, multiple ways of getting nano. You see, it says buy, sell, and trade nano on many exchanges. So on exchange, you can also buy nano. You can get nano on exchange. These are exchange that listed nano. Binance also is list nano. You can get nano from Binance, buy nano, and then send it to your wallet. Okay, I see Ibrahim drop his own. Let me test this one also, and let's see what's going to happen. I just want to make sure that let me reload this. So this is one of the way you can claim nano free. One. There are multiple ways, and I'm going to talk about the one that's peculiar about location, the location where you have. So we have that for Ibrahim going, and whatever we get afterward, we are going to check. So let me move on to that I can maximize the limited time I have. Okay, Christian, I hope I'm not the time. I still have more time. Christian. Okay. We're still going.
Yes, you still have up to 10 minutes to use at least. Let's wait till 10 minutes after 10 before we end the class.
All right, Christian, thank you. All right, so I've shown you how. Then again, how do you spend nano? Okay, I have nano now. How do I spend? You can spend nano in shop. You can use nano to purchase things in shop, because nano is a currency, is a payment currency, is a payment cryptocurrency that you use in a merchant, in an online shop, to purchase goods and services. You can use it to purchase goods and services, and then you can navigate your way to check what are the business, or let me say things that you can buy in the shops, or who are the merchants that nano partner with. You can see them here. You can see this one is coming to see Broadword. You see Campart, and there are so many plans that also we have in Nigeria that is coming to our way soon, and we are going to see them coming to our way. But these are the things, I mean, these are the merchants you can leverage on and see what are the things you can buy, what are the things you can use your what's it called now, your nano to buy. Okay. Then also we have online shops. I'll show you show you in shops. Let's see online. Let's see what we have online. So we have, you see, airlines, they use nano to pay for flights. They use nano to pay for flights. They use nano to pay for crowd storage. They use nano to pay for gift cards. You can see all these, so many things that you can use nano to do. So if you have nano, there is an utility attached to that nano. So it's just for you to just navigate your way, check it out and see for yourself. You can use Nano to even access a game. So many things. So many things. You see, printing, those of you that are designers, you can use Nano to access some certain things. You have some custom printing designs. You can use it, so many things. So you can navigate your way there and see what Nano is used for. Then how you can also add Nano, just like the one I show you, the drop one that I show you. You can add Nano, number one, by gaming. You can hand Nano when you click on gaming. You can play game and hand Nano via that way. So you can buy that method. These are the games that you can play. We have the PC games. We have the web games. We have location-based game, and there are so many things here. Web games, you can look at them, leverage on them, and earn tokens and earn Nano free by playing game. Then also we have tasks. There are tasks that recently we have a task whereby we ask Nigerians to translate flyers, translate an English flyers to Yoruba flyers, an English version of a flyer, translate it to Igbo, translate it to Hausa, and there are participants that pushing for it and translate them and was paid for it. So from time to time, there are tasks that comes through that way when it comes to job activities. You can see and Nano through varieties of options for any Nano through gaming, blah, blah, blah. I think Christian will help us to drop the job link for Nano. So on job link for Nano shows the jobs task being given by the Nano community to his own, the Nano community for us to benefit from. So all these are free exercise, free tasks to do. And when you are doing them, you are paid, you get paid for doing that. And one last thing that I need to also talk about before my time is run now, we need to remember that this is a first class, and there are possibility of me having I might be maybe rushing during my presentation, and I may not be able to touch some other things, but some things. But subsequent meetings will be able to talk more on what Nano does. I don't know how many of you also have get themselves or have a clarity about WeNano. WeNano is one of the applications whereby you can use to get free Nano for yourself also. You can download it on your Play Store. You can download it on your iPhone and claim token every 24 hours, depending on your location. Depending on your location, you can claim as many spots in your location, provided that you have spots in, maybe for this, because you have spots, you have like 100 spots in Lagos. If you can move around out those spots in Lagos, you can claim from all that 100 spots in a day and have huge amount of Nano in your wallet, free for you, and you can then use that Nano that you have earned for any activities, online shops, or online, or you visit shops, merchants, and make use of it. I think with this, I will just need to stop for now and try to allow you guys to ask questions, which may now lead us to another things. But I would love you guys to ask questions as far as Nano is concerned, as well as cryptocurrency, the general overview of cryptocurrency is concerned. I would love you to ask questions. Then I will be waiting here to answer your questions. So Christian, over to you now. As well as cryptocurrency, the general overview of cryptocurrency is concerned, I would love you to ask questions. Then I will be be waiting here to answer your question. So Christian, or over to you now.
Okay, we'll continue the class.
Christian, I can't hear you.
I was talking about posting some videos on the WhatsApp group chat, so others can also benefit from the WeNano spots.
Okay, that's good. All right, I see already Christian also already dropped the job link, and then you can see, so that it's not all about we are just talking about it, and it is what it's real. So, and if you are interested in maybe doing some of these jobs also, you can log into the form, fill it, and definitely the team members is going to reach out to you. Then you can see the WeNano, they already drop it there. You can access it. Wow.
Welcome back, sir.
All right, Christian, you can, I think you can end the class now, or if you have anything to just maybe talk about the community for those that are not there already.
I will share the WhatsApp link to the chat now, so those who have not joined the WhatsApp group chat can join, and also the Telegram group chat and our Twitter handle too, so everybody can follow on Twitter, join the Telegram group chat and the WhatsApp group chat too. So I'll be sharing some videos on the WhatsApp group chat, so we'll get a basic understanding of how to earn from WeNano spots. So I will do that right away now.
Okay. So I think with that, we should end the class. And for those of you that, for Christian and Ibrahim, I think you guys can just check your wallet and see